Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In this session, first, let me thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me to present an article with the title Pop-up Book Media in Indonesian Language Learning for Student Fairy Tales Elementary School. Second, let me introduce myself. I am Al Solusyana for Elementary School Teacher Education Program, Muhammadiyah University, Surakarta. The importance of learning media. The success of the learning process is the existence of learning media because it uses appropriate learning media and attracts student attention in learning activities so that it can help students improve their understanding. The existence of learning media in the form of pop-up books, which are designed to attract student attention in learning and students are able to learn independently, thus making the learning process more effective and memorable in student memories, as well as making abstract learning clear because of the attractive appearance. Field data. 1. Students feel bored when learning takes place because teachers use learning media which only consists of long text and picture which do not attract the attention of students. 2. Students feel bored with the use of learning media that are not innovative and interesting. For example, using worksheet and whiteboard in the classroom. Based on observation at elementary school, learning activities are not optimal due to the limited use of learning media. The learning media used is still conventional and not yet centered on students. Teachers still use boring and uninnovative learning. As a result, students feel bored and not enthusiastic about learning. Research purpose. 1. To describe the plan for learning Indonesian to understand fairy tales. 2. To describe the use of pop-up book in learning Indonesia to understand fairy tales. Methods. Type of research. Qualitative descriptive. Data. Understanding the contents of fairy tales using pop-up book media. Data source. Principal, teacher, and grade 3 student internet site. Data collection, technique, observation, interview, and documentation. Data reduction was carried out by summarizing the activities of summarizing data on the result of fairy tale reading comprehension using pop-up book media. The elements studied are the intrinsic and extrinsic value of fairy tales contained in pop-up book media. Data is presented using interview table and text that describe learning planning and that use of pop-up book media in understanding fairy tales. Meanwhile, drawing conclusion is by strengthening conclusion from data that has been obtained from the result of data reduction and data presentation. Result and discussion. Indonesia language lesson planning. Indonesia language lesson planning at Muhammadiyah PK Baturan Elementary School in accordance with process standard number 65 of 2030 consists of 1 school identity, 2 subject identity, 3 class or semester, 4 subject matter, 5 time allocation, 6 learning objective, 7 basic competency, 8 learning material, concept and principle, 9 learning methods, 10 learning media, 11 learning research, 20 learning step, and 30 assessment. The use of pop-up book media in Indonesian language learning. Pop-up book media is successful as a learning medium for understanding fairy tale reading. Learners prefer to use pop-up book media because learning is more varied through this pop-up book media. Students look excited and interested in reading fairy tales and understanding the intrinsic element. Benefit of pop-up book media. Pop-up book media provide benefit for a teacher in helping explain learning material to students. Students are more active in reading fairy tales presented in pop-up book media and are able to understand the contents of the story. This is evident when students can answer questions that the teacher has given. Benefit of pop-up book media, namely 1, it can create children love for books and reading. 2, develop critical and creative thinking. Advantage and disadvantage of pop-up media. The advantage of pop-up media are that on each page, the image can arise and display interesting color and material made of thick paper, so that it is not easily damaged. Regarding the lack of pop-up media, which was quite expensive and also a long manufacturing process. Furthermore, pop-up book have advantage, namely 1, there is a surprise on each page because the visible image and appear and move. 2. Increase student understanding of the material and explain that the disadvantage of pop-up media are 1. A longer processing time because it requires query. 2. It takes much money to make it. Conclusion. The Indonesia lesson planning that teacher at Muhammadiyah PK Baturan Elementary School have made is very good and in accordance with process standard number 65 of 2030. The Learning Implementation Plan or LIP is developed from the syllabus for learning activity for students in achieving basic competencies. The use of pop-up book media in grade 3 to understand fairy tales has been applied well by teacher and student to attract students to be active in learning. The independent learning ability of learner show positive result. This can be seen when learner can answer questions. Learner are active in reading, asking questions, discussing, and seeking information. That's all for my presentation in this session. For any shortcoming during this session, I would like to apologize. In addition, I would also like to thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.